British law firm Tandem Law says it will not take any money from the over 8,000 Mau Mau claimants it represents should they be compensated. Lead solicitor Freddie Cosgrove Gibson, who is in the country registering more claimants, says their clients will also not be required to pay any legal fees should they fail to secure compensation.
A claimant who comes forward does not pay Tandem Law any fees. Any compensation, if we are successful, goes 100% to the claimant. Anyone who feels they're entitled or meets the criteria can come directly to Miller & Co, Tandem Law, or any of the other law firms and instruct them individually. They do not necessarily need to go through third parties.
Only 5 months ago, over 5,000 Mau Mau veterans parted with over 150,000 shillings each of their compensation, which went to their legal representatives Lay Day. Gibson has also made it clear that unlike Lay Day, which settled out of court, they intend to pursue the case to its logical conclusion.
That litigation settled out of court. In other words, the proceedings were discontinued. So the court never actually made a finding of fact. In other words, no liability was admitted, and Lay Day came to a compromise agreement with the Foreign and Commonwealth Office on behalf of their claimants. That compensation scheme, as agreed between Lay Day and the Foreign and Commonwealth Office, is no one knows what that agreement was. The case that we're doing at present is being litigated. In other words, there are no behind-the-door conversations or negotiations. We're preparing to litigate this matter to the end.
Cecil Miller, who is partnering with Tandem Law in the registration of more claimants, has also made it clear that no registration fee will be required.
As far as our case is concerned, nobody on the ground should be asked to pay any money by anyone because we are operating on what's known as a no-win, no-fee. So there's no legal charges. Nobody should be told, oh, please pay, so that you can be put on the register. If anyone tells you that, then please know they're not from Miller & Company or from Tandem Law AVH.
And in order to qualify as a claimant, one must still be alive and have suffered torture directly at the hands of the colonialists. I'm Olive Barrows for Capital TV.